Welcome back, my students. In the last session, we have learned how to compare between fractions and how to arrange fractions. Today, we want to learn how to simplify fractions. Okay? It's better to revise the timetable and division before starting. I want you to know what do we mean by equivalent fractions. Okay? The equivalent fractions are equal fractions. Let's take an example here. We have three shapes, three circles. The shaded part in each of them represents the half of the circle. So the shaded part here equal to the shaded part in figure 2 and equal to the shaded part in figure 3. Let's write the suitable fractions under each one of them. Okay? I want to write a suitable fraction under each one. Figure 1, we have 6 colored triangles out of 12. So the suitable fraction here is 6/12. Figure 2, we have 3 out of 6. 3/6. And the last one, we have 1 out of 2. So we have 1/2 or half. So 6/12 is the same as 3/6 and the same as 1/2. 1/2 is the simplest form because it has the smallest numbers, 1 and 2. Here we have 6 and 12, 3 and 6, and here we have 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Okay, if you want to get an equivalent fraction, we just multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's take an example. 3/5. I want to get an equivalent fraction to 3/5. Okay, the first case I want to multiply, so let's choose any number. You can choose any number. For example, I want to choose number 2. So I should multiply 3 times 2 and also multiply 5 times 2. 3 times 2 equal 6. 5 times 2 equal 10. So 6/10 equal 3/5. Now we have two equivalent fractions. What about 6/21? I want an equivalent fraction to 6/21, but this time I want to divide. So I should choose a common factor between 6 and 21. 6 and 21 are found in timetable 3. Both of them are found in timetable 3. So we can divide by 3. This is a common factor between the two numbers. So I'll divide 6 by 3. Also, I should divide 21 by 3. Okay, 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 21 divided by 3 equal 7. So the result is 2/7. In this case, we simplify 6/21 to 2/7. So if you get an equivalent fraction by division, in this case, you are simplifying the fraction. Let's take another example. Before we starting simplifying, I want you to remember that any number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It means any even number is divisible by 2. Also, the number is divisible by 3 if the summation of the digits of this number is divisible by 3. For example, here we have 183. Let's add the three numbers together. 1 plus 8 plus 3. the result will be 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So the whole number 183 is divisible by 3. What about 4? Any number is divisible by 4 if the number consists of its unit and tenth is divisible by 4. For example, here, the unit and tenth form 24. 24 is divisible by 4. So 5,000 or 54,324 is divisible by 4. Okay, again, 54,324 is divisible by 4. The number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. Also divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. Okay, so let's start simplifying some fractions. Here in this exercise, I want to put each of the following fractions in the simplest form. Don't forget to simplify a fraction, divide up and down by the same common factor. The first one, 3 over 6. I want to think about a common factor between 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are found in timetable 3, in the result of timetable 3, so I can divide by 3. Okay, so the first step, I want to divide up and down by 3. 3 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 equal 1 because 1 times 3 equal 3. And 6 divided by 3 equal 2 because 2 times 3 equals 6. So the simplest form is 1 over 2. This is the simplest form because there is no more common factors between 1 and 2. Another example here, we have 7 over 21. Let's think. 7 and 21, both of them are found in the results of timetable. Yes, 7, timetable 7. So I can divide up and down by 7. 7 divided by 7 and also 21 divided by 7. Okay, 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. So 1 over 3. Is that the simplest form? Yes, of course, because there is no more common factors between 1 and 3. Let's take another example. 24 over 32. By the same way, I want to think about common factor between 24 and 32. Someone said 4. Okay, 24 and 32 are divisible by 4. So let's divide the two numbers by 4. 24 divided by 4 and 32 divided by 4. Okay, let's start. Timetable 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6 and 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So I have a new fraction here, 6 over 8. But is that the simplest form? No. We still have common factor between 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are even numbers. So we can divide by 2. 6 and 8 are found in timetable 2, in the results of timetable 2. So I can divide both of them by 2. 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So the result is 3 over 4. Is that the simplest form or not? Yes. 3 over 4 is the simplest form of 24 over 32 because there is no more common factors between 3 and 4. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, here we have 3 over 2001. We can divide by 3. 2001 is divisible by 3. Why? because if we add 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, the result will be 3. So 2001 is divisible by 3. Let's divide both of them by 3. Okay, let's revise timetable 3 here. We have timetable 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Now we want to divide 2001 by 3. Don't forget, if you want to divide, start from the left. 2 divided by 3. 2 is less than 3, so I'll take the two numbers here, the two digits, 2 and 0. The number will be 20. 20 divided by 3. Let's look at here. 20. Where is 20? There is no 20, but we have here between 18 and the 21. This is the location of 20 here in timetable 3. So I'll take the smaller number, 6. Okay, so 20 divided by 3 equals 6. But 6 times 3 equals 18, not a 20. So we have a difference, 2. So I'll put 2 here. So I'll get another 20. 20 divided by 3 equals 6 again. And we still have 2. 2 with 1, 21 here. I put 2 to the left of 1. So 21. 21 divided by 3, look at here. Yes, we have 21. The result is 7. So 2001 divided by 3 equals 667. Also 3 over 2001 equal 1 over 667. But is that the simplest form or not? Yes, of course, this is the simplest form, because there is no more common factor between 1 and 667. Okay, I hope you have understood our lesson today. I want you to revise timetables again and try to solve more and more exercises. Next time, we will talk about proper fraction, improper fractions, and mixed number. And we will learn how to convert between mixed number and improper fractions and vice versa. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck for all of you.